If you found this video helpful, or if you want to help support our channel so we can make quality content, please support us on Patreon. We'll have a link below. Thanks for watching. Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie, and today we're going to do an unboxing and a review of a product. I'm getting this. It is a 200 watt car power inverter by BESTEK, and I'm getting this because I'm going to be doing some Uber and Lyft driving. I'm also a handyman and a licensed home improvement contractor, so I do a lot of stuff in the car. So I want to go ahead and make sure that I can charge the things I need to. For one, my phone, also possibly a laptop. Okay, so let's get in here and see what we got. Okay, it's got your warranty card. It's got the introduction. All right, so it's not too big, so that's good. I was thinking that it was going to be really huge. Okay, so it tells you on the back, 200 watt portable power inverter. And it's got outputs, 110 volts to 120 volts, 200 watt max. It's got 4 USB ports, and it goes up to 4.2 amps. So let's see what it looks like on the front. So it's got the 2.1 amp. So this is the fast charging for your cell phone, for your iPod, iPad, stuff like this. This is the slow chargers. It's got an on and off button. It's got the place for the power cord. It's got the fan there and fan there. And looks like it's got a QR code on the back to go ahead and connect with them. And then it's got the power plug. You plug in your 12 volt socket into the lighter socket in the car. And then you're able to use the 110 to 120 plug, so you could charge your laptop, any kind of standard plugs that you have, and plug in all of your USB charging things that you need, so cell phones, tablets, all that kind of good stuff.